What's going on, everyone? Welcome to the RA Visuals YouTube channel, and today I not only have a new microphone kit to show you guys from Murphac Audio, but not just one, two of you will be taking home one of these awesome kits right here. So two of you guys in the Visuals family will be taking these kits home to add to your own setup. So stick around because you guys are not going to want to miss this. RA Visuals merch is finally here, fam. We have partnered up with streamerwear.com to bring you some really awesome and high quality threads with your favorite RA Visuals logo on them. We have hats, shirts, pullovers, hoodies, heck, we even have coasters for your coffee mug if you want. I've also included an alternate logo version that you can get every item in as well, so be sure to check that out. Of course, everything you grab supports the channel and helps me keep making more content for you guys to enjoy. So head over to streamerwear.com and check out my collection using the merch link in the description and cop some fresh new gear to show off to your friends. Alright, now with everything out of the box, let's first talk about some of the tech specs of this microphone. The TU1 has a high quality capacitor diaphragm with a flat and smooth frequency response curve of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, and it has a cardioid polar pickup pattern, which is pretty standard, and intelligent noise reduction features to reduce that unwanted sound input from the side and the back to hopefully produce crisp recordings. It has an all-metal build with a classic black colorway, and it features some I/O on the front of the mic that you don't normally see actually. It includes an echo effect dial, a volume dial, a headphone input for real-time monitoring for your recordings, that's pretty cool to see, and a mute/noise suppression combo button. And now you can enable the mute obviously by just pressing the button. It goes from green to red, and then you can turn it back on by pressing it again. It'll turn green when it's ready to go. And then you can enable the sound suppression by holding the button for 3 seconds. Now, setup of the TU1 is quick and simple as well, and you have two options for how you can set it up actually. The first option is basically standard mode with just the collapsing stand and the metal ring holder. It's super simple. You basically just screw the stand into the ring holder and then screw the mic into the ring holder and then basically place it wherever you want to use it, and so that it's like 6 inches from your mouth and you're ready to go. The second option is what we'll be using today, and it is using the mic arm and shock mount that comes in the Pro kit that I opened for you guys. You start by mounting the clamp to your desk, making sure that it is nice and tight in the position that you want it. Then you place the arm in the slot of the clamp and tighten down the nut if you wish to keep it in a certain position. Next, you just take the shock mount and screw it into the mic arm. Lastly, you're going to slide the mic into the shock mount, and actually here is where I noticed the first con of this system, unfortunately. And basically when you get the mic into the shock mount, it actually covers up the port for your headphones and the mic mute button. It kind of just like has this piece over it, so I rotated it to the other side and kind of put it in this weird position. So they're there, but again, they're a little bit covered up by the elastic of the shock mount, so it's kind of weird, but it does work when you get it in that position. But either way, I just wanted to let you guys know that that's a thing. And now after you get set up, the only thing left to do is simply plug the USB cable into the bottom of the mic and then plug it into your computer or chosen device that you want to use. All you have to do is just plug it in, and then you can go into Windows and set your levels and start using it. In fact, here's some audio samples that I got while on stream with you guys a couple of days ago. We're gonna test the mic out real quick. So again, this is my pod mic. This is what I always talk to you guys with on my streams these days. This is my favorite mic right now. It's using a cloud lifter. It's an XLR microphone. It's expensive. That's why it's got a really nice sound to it. And we're going to switch over in a second to this Murphac Audio microphone. I believe it's called their TU1, and it comes with the mic arm, comes with the shock mount, comes with the windscreen. It actually comes with a big pop filter, everything like that. And this mic's got actual like volume knobs on it. It's got a echo effect on it, and it's got an on and off button too, so that's pretty cool. So what we're gonna do real quick is we are going to actually shut off my pod mic, and I'm gonna switch over to this one, and I'm gonna let you guys know how it sounds. So here we go. Okay guys, so now you should be, hold on, let me get back a little bit further. You guys should hear me talking through the Murphac now. So just first impressions, what do you guys think? There's no effects on it, no nothing. The volume dial is I'm trying to stay a little bit further away from it so I don't talk too loud. But the volume knob is legit. It's like 45 degrees up. That's about it, not even halfway. And I believe volume in Windows is like 88 or something like that. So I'm seeing my volume peaks a little bit in the red, just a tiny bit, because obviously I talk loud. But what do you guys think? I can actually go ahead and I can put some effects on it. So what I want to show you guys really quick, and I can put my EQs on it really quick, and I can let you guys hear what that sounds like. So here we go. I'll do it in real time. Let me go ahead and put my filters on it. Let's see if you guys like what that sounds like. Okay, so now the Murphac has my EQ filters on it. So do you guys like that sound better? Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers. Peter Piper picked. Blah-de, 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 blah. So there you go. Now it has the filters on it. Hopefully that sounds a little bit better. At least it should with that kind of stuff. And then there's a cool feature, like I said, on this. And it's this echo feature that you can put on. So let me go ahead and just turn that up really quick and let you guys listen to what that sounds like. So the echo feature is about halfway up. And I probably sound like I'm in a studio booth or something. Yeah, yeah. Alright you guys, so hopefully from those tests you could discern that this is actually a very capable mic and kit for the price, and it could be very helpful to someone looking for their first setup to get started with, gaming, streaming, audio recording, music recording, Skype, calling, whatever. I think it actually has a surprisingly good sound, and some of you guys actually agreed with me on stream too. You guys thought it sounded pretty dang good, like right out of the box with zero effects, and then once I put a few tweaks with my own filters on it, it even sounded better. So I think it was a general consensus between me and the community that it actually sounded really good. Now with all that out of the way, this is the part of the video you guys have been waiting for. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I will be giving 2 of these mic kits away to you guys in the Visuals fam, because honestly, I just really want to help you guys out and like start your guys' journey, and help your guys' setups out and whatnot. I already got a ton of audio equipment, so I don't need them. I'd rather give them to you guys. So to get entered, all you guys have to do is, of course, make sure you like the video, because it helps me out a ton, makes the algorithm help people find my videos, and then make sure that you're subscribed to the channel so you can join the Visuals family if you're not already. And then, as always, go ahead and follow the Gleam.io link in the description below and get your entries in. That's it. Good luck to all of you, and like always, I'll be revealing the winners on stream about a week from now when this video goes live. Again, good luck to all of you guys out there, but that's gonna be it for me on this one. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next video.